So today we're going to go ahead and make a simple bow with 2.5-inch wired ribbon, and we're going to go ahead and do black and white plaid. Basically, they're just going to be very simple. They're going to have 3 loops on each side and a tail that isn't much longer. Each side is 4 inches. So I cut my ribbon to 70 inches first, and I use this bow device. It helps to make bows. I'm going to go ahead and lay it down on the side so you can see the various steps. All right, so we're going to start with our 70-inch 2.5 wide ribbon and our bow thing. We are going to go ahead and start at the very bottom, and we're going to hold the about 2 inches off the edge, and we're going to go ahead and cross the top and wrap around the back, and we're going to keep the wire straight, or the ribbon straight. So then we're going to go ahead and cross over the front, and we're going to wrap it back around. So each time we're going around, so then we're going to go ahead, that's 1, and we're going to go ahead and repeat that again. So then we're going to go ahead and wrap and bring it this way and back over the top for 2. And then on the third one, we're going to go ahead and straighten it up for a moment. Then we're going to go ahead and wrap it, and we're going to keep it on the back side. So we don't want to go ahead and take it over. And then we're going to go ahead and bring it to the bottom. We're going to wrap it under all of them, and it's going to come up towards the top. And then we take this side, and we're going to go ahead and wrap it under and through the piece that we just went out, and we're going to go ahead and pull it towards the middle. The bow will collapse together, and we are pulling that side, and we're going to go ahead and take that original first piece, and we're going to pull it down as well. And then basically we're just tightening this little piece that we made, and the bow will get closer and closer together. And then we will go ahead, and when it's as tight as it can be, we'll go ahead and slip it off, and we will flip it, and then we basically will just unwind each side. So we got 1, 2, and 3, and then we're just going to straighten them. Sorry, that's my dog. She's in here with me. And we're just going to go ahead and straighten each one to make them look nice. And we will go ahead and cut off the last little bit of extra. And I'm dovetailing each one, so we will just go ahead and start with that. And we'll dovetail that side, and then we will go ahead and dovetail the other side. And sometimes it's a little extra longer, so we will just go ahead and trim that up and cut off the extra piece of wire that was left. And then there we have it. 2 simple, easy bows. They're quick and easy to make, and they work perfectly for door hangers.